Tucked away in the treasure trove of features on your iPhone, there's something that feels a bit like magic, almost a secret spell you can cast right from the palm of your hand. This little bit of wizardry, sending messages that vanish into thin air, only to reappear with a simple touch. It's all about bringing a dash of mystery and a layer of privacy to your conversations, and it's as fun as it sounds. Thanks to iDROP NEUS, we're diving into the enchanting world of using invisible ink on your iPhone. Picture this: you're typing out a message or picking a photo to send to a friend. But instead of just hitting send, you decide to wrap it in an invisible cloak. With invisible ink, your message gets a disguise, turning into a scrambled, pixelated puzzle waiting to be solved by the recipient. They'll need to swipe over it to unveil the hidden words or images, only for it to vanish once again with another swipe or tap. So how do you cast this spell? It's surprisingly simple. 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. 2. Choose an existing conversation or start a new one. 3. After typing your message or selecting a photo, press and hold the send arrow. 4. A menu titled Send with Effect appears. Here, select Invisible Ink. 5. Voila! Your message now looks like a mysterious, pixelated cloud. 6. Hit the blue arrow to send your veiled message into the world. For the recipient, and even for you, the message remains a secret until interacted with. Tap or swipe over it to reveal its contents, relishing in the moment of surprise. But what if you decide this magic isn't for you? Or perhaps you're setting up a device for someone else and prefer to keep things straightforward? The spell can be reversed just as easily by adjusting your iPhone settings. To turn off invisible ink and other similar enchantments: 1. Navigate to the Settings app. 2. Scroll to and select Accessibility. 3. Choose Motion. 4. Here, you can disable autoplay message effects, putting a pause on the disappearing act. Invisible ink isn't just about adding an element of play to your messages. It serves a practical purpose too, shielding sensitive information from unintended viewers or simply adding a sprinkle of anticipation to your digital notes. So next time you're thumbing through your messages, why not give invisible ink a try? And while you're at it, explore the other bubble and screen effects available on your iPhone to elevate your messaging game to an art form. Remember, this little trick and many more await to enrich your digital communication, courtesy of insights from iDROP NEUS. Whether for secrecy, surprise, or just a bit of fun, invisible ink is a feature worth exploring on your iPhone.